Now we are at Shanghai port and I will introduce a dynamic compaction machine. Let's go and see it. Look, this is Xgh350 dynamic compaction crawler crane. As you can see, it is very big and its overall length, width and height are 9.15 meters, 3.42 meters and 3.45 meters. Now let's go and see the most important part, engine. We use the Cummins and its power configuration is excellent and strong. Its rated value is 239 kilowatts. This is the driving room. It is installed the air conditioner, so it will be very comfortable for you to operate it. Except the dynamic compaction, we also provide other machines. If you are interested, please feel free to contact me. Looking forward to your inquiry. See you.